We're also held accountable for the margins that we achieve. There is no point a customer sending the product to us if we're going to lose them money on margin and yield. We are financially penalised if we do not maintain or improve the yields and margins that the customer is expecting. That's the reason why we continually monitor and review where we are on our yields. Our managers are responsible for doing the mass balancing and the returns of the yields. We will then go through and have a meeting every evening to discuss where we were with the margins, what areas we need to pinpoint and improve on, and that information is then relayed back to the customer. The system then would only activate an input for one run at any one time, giving us good control within the process, so there's no chance of getting it mixed up or confused with any other product. So we would activate the run at the head of the line and activate the run at the end of the line and scan the product into that run. That would then change the setup of the PLUs on the OCM at the end of the line and only allow the labelling using the correct PLUs for the correct product going down that line. That then gives us a data capture point at the top of the line and a data capture point at the end of the line, allowing us to generate the yield information that we required that the managers can then work on to ensure that they're hitting target during the course of the day.